Welcome back to the channel, guys. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. Right now we're in the Ambassador Heights community up here in the hills of Mannings Hill. So what we're doing is a drive to Smokey Vale community. So that's what we're covering today, guys. So Ambassador Heights, that's the name of this community we're exiting right now, and we're heading up higher to Smokey Vale. If you're new to the channel, guys, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. It doesn't cost. It's no charge to you. So just turn that red subscribe button gray and join the Raymore Reviews family. Remember to like the video. Remember to leave a comment. And remember to share as well. So today is a hill drive. You know, most times we're on the flats, but today it's up in the hills. So right now we're way up Mannings Hill, and we're heading to the direction of Smokey Vale. So stay tuned, guys, while we show you this part of Kingston. Oh, a lot of nice homes up here. You know, two floors, 3-story, 4-story. A lot of nice homes up in the hills, and I'm sure you're getting some great views from them. Alright, so we're still climbing up in the hills. Alright, guys, and remember to watch the video to the end. You don't have to wait until the video is finished to like it as well. You can like the video from now. So go ahead and like the video. Ensure you leave a comment as well. So we have a road here, a right turn still done way. And we're now in the Smokey Vale community. Kris and Charles Investment Limited has partnered with the channel Raymore Reviews, so you guys definitely show them some support. You're also having a promotion right now. So this is the promotion. It's the feel free promotion. Borrow up to $1 million and pay less than $20,000 monthly. So the promotion runs until the end of April 2021, so you guys definitely check them out. And you can even WhatsApp them to 838-9028. So check them out, guys. Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited partnered with the channel, so show them some support. Alright guys, so that was some great views of Kingston. That was some awesome views of Kingston. So this right here in the corner is City View Hotel. And we're continuing up the hill. Whoa, that truck in front of us, cement is falling off. Whoa, you have to be careful on these roads. These roads are also dangerous. Most parts don't have any barricade. So like to the right, some places have concrete, what would I call it now, corridor or reinforcement, but most of it don't have any. So you have to be careful on these roads, guys. Some parts are very narrow as well, so you have to give way. So again, up in the hills of Mannings Hill, we're in the Smokey Vale community. You know, just showing you guys a view from up this side. Again guys, stay tuned, leave your comments, and again, if you used to live up this side, if you're living up this side, or if you even grew up in this side, just let us know in the comment section. Guys, and again, some great homes, massive homes up in the hills. Smokey Vale, that's where we are. Remember to like, remember to comment, and let me know what you think. So it's another hill drive video, courtesy of the Raymore Reviews channel.